been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, my mom, my killers don't tell. Chateau, my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is the Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you don't hit the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all rode in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game on. Sorry, they say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
this is the finished look. I went ahead and just did some curls, some big curls with my like 1.5 inch or 1.25. I don't even know. Y'all know I'll put it in the description box though. I just threw some curls in the hair. I didn't want to show that because I feel like I just have so many curl videos, but they really did come out really cute. I literally just curled it, so it's still really fresh. Y'all, I am in love. I'm in love with how this hair came out. I'm in love with the color. Y'all know I love red hair. Well, I don't know if y'all know, but I love red hair on me. It looks so bomb. So guys, I'm so impressed with how this came out. Look at that. The hair has so much dimension. It's so soft. It has so much sheen and shine to it. Like, it is just doing it for me in every way. Like, one thing I will say is that I did try to bleach the knots on this wig and they didn't really lift. So you can still kind of see them, like in person. I still kind of see them. I covered them with makeup, but it is visible. But it plucked really easily. It was a pre-plucked frontal, so I didn't have to do that much plucking. I still went in and plucked, but I didn't have to do nearly as much as I normally do. So that was definitely a plus. So if you guys love this hair like I do and you're into it like I'm into it, go ahead and click the link in my description box to purchase this wig. That's all I have to say. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one.